Examples of each reaction type. Combination A plus B is equal to AB. Example 2H2O2 is equal to 2H2O. Decomposition AB is equal to A plus B. 2H2O2 is equal to 2H2O plus O2. Single displacement. A plus BC is equal to AC plus B. Example Zn plus 2HCl is equal to ZnCl2 plus H2. Double displacement. AB plus CD is equal to AD plus CB. AgNO3 plus NaCl is equal to AgCl plus NaNO3. Redox, oxidation or reduction. Fe plus CuSO4 is equal to FeSO4 plus Cu. Combustion. Fuel plus O2 is equal to CO2 plus H2O. Example CH4 plus 2O2 is equal to CO2 plus 2H2O. Precipitation. Aqueous and plus aqueous is equal to solid plus aqueous. Example BaCl2 plus Na2SO4 is equal to BaSO4 is equal to plus 2NaCl. Neutralization. Acid plus base is equal to salt plus water. Example HCl plus NaOH is equal to NaCl plus H2O. Thank you.